Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to delete your CoinGecko account step by step. If you're planning to stop using CoinGecko or want to permanently remove your account for privacy or personal reasons, here's how you do it. First of all, launch open CoinGecko application on your device, or you may also open it up on a web browser and log into your account you want to delete. Once you're inside the main homepage of CoinGecko, go ahead and find the profile button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Once you're inside the profile section, tap on My Account under Helpful Tools, and then you'll be able to see Delete My Account button at the very bottom under Danger Zone. Tap on it, and then in the text box that appears on the screen, type in delete and click on delete to confirm. Remember, if you proceed to delete your account will no longer be available and all of your saved data will be permanently deleted. Click on delete if you want to surely delete your account, and then you have successfully deleted your CoinGecko account. The account deletion is permanent and irreversible. Deleting your account is simple if you follow the correct steps through the website or app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.